Hey, good afternoon. Today I am out here in Lincolnton at a DR Horton community called Clark Creek Landing. I love it here. I am out here a million times a month. And they are still building, still offering, oh my gosh, amazing incentives, right? So I am seeing a new floor plan for me. Today I am going to see the Pearson floor plan and decided to take you guys along. Let's go and view it together. By the way, there is still plenty of room to get in here. As you can see, they are still building in the area. And here we are. Let's go inside. All right, as you see, there are some shoe covers I must put on first. But before I put my shoe covers on, I need to protect myself at all times because your girl almost lost her balance. Yes, don't judge me. But I regained myself, and here we are, checking out this beautiful Pearson floor plan. That's right. This is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 1,418 square feet townhome that is currently available just for you. Just for you. And there is no shortage of cabinetry in this kitchen. You look, there are cabinets all around. A very spacious peninsula as well, that you can comfortably sit several stools there if needed. I love that even at this time of day, it was still very lit in that living area. So everything about this townhome just it makes you feel very cozy, very inviting, if you will. All right, now we're heading upstairs. The first room that we get to is the primary bedroom. I know most people save it for last. It was the first one I came to, so I certainly wanted to show it first. When I turned here, this was the primary bathroom. Notice it has 2 sinks still, a pretty spacious bathroom. And for the price point, I think that it's not too shabby at all. Now, I saw this closet to my left and thought it was the washer and dryer, but it is not. So it's additional storage, followed by one of the secondary bedrooms that is decent size as well. And as I went back to the third one, I noticed this is another closet. So as you can see, that is where the washer and dryer unit would go. And this is the secondary bedroom, followed by a full bath on the top floor as well. So again, for the price point, they are decent spaces. Check out this peekaboo window here in the staircase, still bringing in tons of light. So right now, I just want to show you guys real quick where the pool is in the neighborhood. Again, this neighborhood, they're still building a lot of construction with single families and townhomes, and they are so reasonable. So one of the things that they offer in this community too, we are about, I'll say about 55 minutes from Charlotte. So you are out of the way of the hustle and bustle. You can get out here. You don't even have to jump on the highways. You can get out here by simply taking all the streetways, back roads, because that's what I do. I rarely get on the highway to do much of anything. So it still only took me about 55 minutes to get out here. I wanted to show you the clubhouse area. And if you can see over there, the pool will be behind. It looks like it's already there. So, yeah, they put the pool in. So that is so neat. Plenty of parking, and I'll get out and show you guys the pool area overall. But yeah, just wanted to show you the parking real quick. So if you want to bring guests, your family, whoever up here, you see that you won't have any problems parking. And the pool is a nice size, but let's take a look. I know we won't be able to get on the inside of it, but we certainly can at least go up to the gate and try to get an idea of the whole vibe during the summer months. Let's take a look. I love the landscape. It's very nice. And I like how the pool is, you know, within the hills. So you have the hillside that is, you know, kind of blocking out the all the houses and all the townhomes. So the vibe at the pool that I'm getting so far is more like relax, it's time to chill and kind of just tune out everything else that's going on around you. Oh, but it's nice, and it's an Olympic size pool. All right, guys, let's take a look. This is a nice area. And the bathrooms in the clubhouse. And if I'm not mistaken, there should be an area inside where you can kind of maybe rent out to. And I like to ease into the pool down there. So if you have like little ones or somebody who's nervous to just walk directly in, you know, maybe they feel more less fearful to just, you know, just go right in. They can kind of tiptoe in. And I see 4 foot, 5 foot. Look like it might go up to the 5 feet. Yeah. So just another great reason why I love coming out here, right? Another thing that they do have on site is a playground for the littles. You know, they can come out, and it's plenty of place to kind of walk. There is no trail here that I'm aware of, but there is still plenty of area that you can walk freely. So far, everybody who moves in is very nice, very inviting, and I see people with walking their dogs sometimes. So that is something that you can certainly tap into while you're out here. This is a roundabout. There's probably going to be several houses here, single family homes. But as you can see, it's huge, and like I said, they are still doing plenty of building. Single family homes are keeping kind of like up here to the back area, I want to say. And that is there's an entrance over that way, and then we're going to take the entrance here that is off of Startown Road, and we're going to come up here near the front office and like the model homes really, and the townhomes. But coming this way, I'm able to show you that they are still very much active in this community. It's not disrupting anything, because I know a lot of people ask about, you know, what's the noise in new construction. You know, it's only as noisy as it needs to be to build a home. But I can tell you that it's still not, the homes are so insulated to where it's still not like disturbing you once you're inside your home. And right now it's actually pretty chill. So if we continue to come up here, we're going to pass one set of mailboxes, and I think there's 2 different sets of mailboxes in this community. And let's see, the playground area should be, we might have passed it. I get a little mixed up in here just because homes are going up so fast. And then let's say if I didn't come out for like a month, and I come back and there you go, new houses. It's like, goodness, a row of new houses. So certainly things are moving quite quickly in this neighborhood, and it's not such a huge neighborhood that you get lost coming from one side of the neighborhood to the other. It's just for me, with all the roads and seeing where homes will be, you know, I get a little mixed up. But we are here at the playground area, and I'll turn you here to see it more in just a second. Yeah, so you can certainly bring your little ones up here, or if you want to just sit on the benches and just relax, read a book or something, you certainly can. Okay, now let's talk about specs for the Pearson model townhome. Sorry. bring free. So for the Pearson, it is 18 square feet. And of course, it's a townhome, 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths. Carpet, you may get appliances. I'm almost certain that can be negotiated in. But nonetheless, this beautiful home with these amenities, we are very close to Walmart. We're about 10 minutes from downtown. We are close to Newton. We are close to the highway in order to go into Charlotte, close to Maiden. So there are a lot of companies out here, like factories as well too, because we are on the outskirts. But this is where everybody's coming. Charlotte is becoming so crowded to where if you want a good price, you're going to have to leave out of the city and come more to the outskirts. So a 55-minute drive, I kid you not, did not take long at all. I was in my own little world listening to my reggaeton. Don't judge me. Bad Bunny told us we got 4 months, right? And I'm on it. So nonetheless, tell me what you think the price may be. Like, comment below what you think the price may be, and you're going to win a gift card. The person who gets it is going to win a gift card. Let me be clear. So the price on this townhome, I will give you one hint and one hint only. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It is not $300,000. All right. If you need more information or you would love to schedule time to come out and view, they also have self tours. But I will tell you right now, get you your representation, because they have their own representation. I would love to be that person for you. But again, just have your own representation. And I do recommend that you come out with your realtor. Again, my name is Kat Gaines. I'm with Lifestyle International Realty. And you can always reach me at 980-428-5269. Thanks so much for hanging out. Long video, right? Thanks so much for hanging out. And we'll talk soon. Update. I could not wait to tell you guys. I know, but I did not want anybody to miss out. Plus, with the incentives that they have going on if you use DHI mortgage, right? So for a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, the Pearson floor plan, the current price, which is also 18 square feet, the current price is $245,000. That's right. You can live near Charlotte, still have access to all of Charlotte amenities, and only pay $245,000. Meanwhile, coming into Charlotte, getting something very similar, even with the square footage and with the same amenities, I promise you're looking at $400,000. You're looking at something very close to $400,000. I'll even say between $380,000 and $400,000. So I could not hold on to that any longer. I'm sorry for whoever wanted to win that gift card. Not today, because I had something better for you. Like I also just mentioned, if you use DHI Mortgage, which is the mortgage company that DR Horton uses to process their loans, there are additional incentives for you. So reach out to me to know more, because of course I have the scoop. And until next time, we'll talk soon.